It's 10 p.m. Your apartment's quiet, but your head isn't. The phone's glowing on your desk, another notification. A group chat you don't want to read. An email you're dreading. Your mind's a tangle. Work you didn't finish. That comment you're still chewing on. Plans you said yes to but don't feel right. You're tired, not just from the day, but from carrying it all. The weight of replying when you want to stay silent. The noise of everyone else's expectations. What if you could just walk away? Not run, not hide. Just step back, let it go. Find quiet. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "Don't waste time arguing what's right, just do it." Walking away isn't weakness, it's not giving up. It's choosing what deserves you. It's finding space to breathe in a world that's always shouting. Today, we're not here to teach you, not here to fix you, just to share. 13 ways walking away might be your greatest strength. Not to change your life, but to make it a little lighter, a little clearer, a little more yours. If you've ever felt that weight, leave a small sign, a like, a comment, anything. Not for me, but so someone else, just like you, finds this moment to pause and breathe. Lesson 1. Your energy is finite. You're in a coffee shop, tables packed, voices overlapping. Every conversation wants your attention. Your boss's email, a friend's drama, that post you scrolled past but can't stop thinking about. Each one's a pull, a tug on your focus. You only have so much. Your energy is like a cup of coffee. It runs out. Sip by sip. You can't pour it everywhere. Some tables leave you buzzing, ideas flowing, heart light. Others, they drain you. You walk away feeling smaller, heavier. Seneca said, "We don't have a short life. We just waste it." Every yes you give, every argument you entertain, every worry you let linger, it's a sip from your cup. You choose where it goes. That group chat that's all complaints, that's a sip. That meeting you don't need to be in, another sip. What's left for you? For the things that make you feel alive? Look at your day. What's pulling at you? A coworker's negativity? A habit you know isn't you? Ask yourself, does this deserve my energy? Does it lift me or drag me down? Walking away isn't cold. It's not cruel. It's choosing to save your coffee for the tables that warm you. What's one thing you could stop pouring into today? Leçon 2. Boundaries are your space. Picture a subway car, packed, shoulders brushing, voices loud. Someone's pushing into your space, not physically, but you feel it. Their demands, their criticism, their need for your time. You're squeezed, no room to move. Your chest tightens. You want to breathe. The next stop comes. You step off, the doors close. Suddenly, air, space, you. Epictetus said, "You control your own mind, not what others do." Boundaries aren't walls. They're not about shutting people out. They're about claiming your space, saying no to what crowds you. That friend who always vents but never listens, that's a push. That project you took on just to please someone, another push. You don't have to stay on that train. Saying no feels hard. You worry, will they think I'm selfish? Will they pull away? But here's the thing. The right people, they respect your space. They don't crowd you. And the ones who don't, they're not your people. Try it. Next time someone demands too much, say no. Softly, firmly. Watch what happens. You'll feel it. Room. When was the last time you stepped off and felt lighter? Lesson 3. Closure comes from you. You're holding a letter, half written. It's to someone who hurt you, someone who left you hanging. You keep rewriting it, waiting for them to finish it. An apology, an explanation, something to make it make sense. But they don't write back. The paper's crumpled now, but you can't let it go. Your mind's stuck, replaying what happened, waiting for closure. Marcus Aurelius said, "Stop arguing about what's good. Be good." Closure isn't a gift someone hands you. It's not an apology. It's not a conversation that ties it all up. It's something you build inside. Waiting for them to fix it, that's giving them your pen. You're the writer. You decide how the story ends. Think of something unresolved. A fight, a betrayal, a loose end. What's it costing you to wait? Your peace? Your focus? Walking away doesn't mean forgetting. It means you stop waiting. You put the letter down. You forgive, not for them, but for you, to be free. What's one story you're still holding on to? Could you start writing its ending today? Lesson 4. Growth waits beyond comfort. You're on a path, same one you've walked for years. It's familiar, safe. You know every crack in the pavement, but it's worn. It leads to the same places, same arguments, same regrets. There's another path, off to the side. It's overgrown, unclear. You don't know where it goes. Your stomach twists just looking at it. But something whispers, try it. Seneca said, don't fear death. Fear never really living. Your comfort zone's cozy. It's predictable, but it's small. It keeps you stuck, circling the same thoughts, same habits, same people who pull you down. Growth isn't in the familiar. It's in the unknown. The place that scares you a little. That job you hate but stay in? That's the old path. That conversation you avoid because it's hard? Same path. Walking away means taking the new trail. It's not easy. You'll stumble, doubt yourself. But each step, you're bigger, stronger. What's one familiar path you've been afraid to leave? What's one small step you could take toward the new? Lesson 5. You can't shape others. You're in a garden. Plants everywhere. Some thriving, some wilting. You're watering one, day after day. It's not growing. It's taking your time, your care, but it stays the same. You want it to bloom. You try harder. More water, more attention. But it's not your plant, it's someone else's. And they're not tending it. Epictetus said, focus on what's yours. Your thoughts, your actions, not others. You can't make someone change. That friend who keeps making bad choices, that partner who doesn't hear you, you can guide, you can care, but you can't control. Trying, it's like pouring water into a cracked pot. It leaks, and you're left empty. Look at your life. Who are you trying to fix? What's it costing you? Your energy? Your peace? Walking away doesn't mean you stop caring. It means you stop breaking yourself to save them. You tend your own garden. Let them tend theirs. Who's one person you're pouring too much into? What would happen if you watered yourself instead? Leçon 6. Your gut knows. You're at a party. Music's loud. People laughing. But something's off. A conversation. It's sharp. Critical. You smile. Nod. But inside, a voice whispers. Leave. It's quiet, but clear. Your gut. It knows. You felt it before. That meeting that felt wrong. That favor you shouldn't have said yes to. But you ignored it and paid for it. Marcus Aurelius said, trust your inner voice. It's your compass. Your intuition's not loud. It doesn't bike brakes screeching. It's a nudge, a feeling. When something's not right, it speaks. Walking away is listening to that voice. Not explaining, not doubting, just trusting. Think back. When did your gut warn you? Maybe a job, a friendship. Did you listen or did you stay and regret it? Next time you feel that nudge, pause. Hear it. You don't need a reason. You don't owe anyone an explanation. Your gut's enough. What's one moment your intuition spoke? What would you do differently now? Lesson 7. Retreat isn't defeat. You're playing chess. The board's tense. Your opponent's pressing. You're focused, but stuck. Every move feels like a trap. You could keep fighting, push harder. But there's another choice. Step back. Look at the board. See it clearly. Sometimes, the best move is to pause. Seneca said, live in the moment, not the fight. Walking away isn't losing, it's strategy. It's choosing when to engage and when to step back. That argument you're stuck in, that project that's draining you, charging forward isn't always brave. Sometimes it's just noise. Think of a battle you're fighting, a conflict, a goal that's wearing you down. What if you stopped? Not forever, just for now. to breathe, to see. Walking away gives you clarity. It saves your strength. What's one fight you could pause? What might you see if you step back? Leçon 8. Silence is power. You're in a group chat. Messages flying. Someone's poking, criticizing. Your fingers hover, ready to type. You want to defend yourself. Set it straight. But then you stop. You mute it. You walk away. And something shifts. You feel stronger. Epictetus said, "It's not what happens, it's how you respond." Words can trap you. Arguments can pull you in like quicksand. The more you fight, the deeper you sink. Silence isn't weakness, it's control. It's saying, "I choose my peace over this noise." Think of a time you argued, online, in person. Did it fix anything or did it just leave you tired? Next time, try silence. Don't reply, don't engage. Let your absence speak. It's louder than words. It's freedom. When was silence more powerful than speaking? What could you mute today? Lesson 9. You are enough. You're scrolling, posts about success, vacations, perfect lives. You feel it, that pang, like you're behind, like you're not enough. You chase likes, approval, someone to say you're doing it right. But it's never enough. The more you seek, the smaller you feel. Seneca said, "Don't live on borrowed opinions." Your worth isn't in what others think. It's not in your job title, your followers, your bank account. It's in you, right now. As you are, walking away from that chase, it's coming home, to yourself. Think of a moment you felt less than. Maybe a comparison, a rejection. What if you didn't need their nod? What if you were enough without it? Stop scrolling, step back, look at yourself. You're here, that's enough. When did you feel just enough? What could you stop chasing to feel it again? Lesson 10. Let go of dead weight. You're carrying a backpack, heavy, stuffed with old stuff. A grudge from years ago, a mistake you can't forgive yourself for. A regret that replays at 2 a.m. Each one's a brick. You don't even notice the weight until you try to run or breathe. Marcus Aurelius said, "The future's uncertain. Live now." Holding on to pain, it's like gripping a hot coal. It burns you, not them. Letting go isn't erasing the past. It's dropping the bricks. Walking away, lighter, freer. Think of something you're carrying. A resentment, a what if. What's it doing to you? Keeping you stuck? Stealing your sleep? Try this. Picture setting it down, but not forever, just for today. Feel the difference. What's one brick you could drop? What would it feel like to walk without it? Leçon 11. Your peace is sacred. You're in a room. Your sanctuary. Soft light. Quiet. It's where you're you. No masks. No rush. But the door's open and noise creeps in. Demands. Negativity. Expectations. It's crowding your space. Stealing your calm. You can shut the door. You can protect it. Seneca said, "Happiness is within, not in the noise. Your peace is yours. It's not selfish to guard it. That toxic coworker, that endless to-do list, they don't get to invade." Walking away, it's locking the door. It's keeping your sanctuary safe. Look at your life. What's disrupting your peace? A habit? A person? A thought? You don't have to let it in. Say no. Step back. Choose your calm. It's not weak. It's power. What's one thing threatening your sanctuary? What would it feel like to shut the door? Leçon 12. Master your mind. You're on a boat. Waves crashing. Wind howling. The sea's chaos, but beneath it, there's a current. Steady. Still. That's your mind. The world's loud, but you don't have to be. You can find the quiet. You can steer. Epictetus said, "You control your thoughts, not the storm." Mastering your mind. It's not about stopping the waves. It's about choosing your response. That rude email, that worry looping in your head, you decide what it means. Walking away, it's refusing to let the storm steer. Think of a moment you reacted, got angry, overthought. What if you paused? Let the wave pass. You'd still be you, but calmer, clearer. Practice it. Next time the storm hits, breathe. Choose quiet. What's one thought you could let go? What would it feel like to stay steady? Leçon 13. Honor your path. You're at a fork in the road. One path's loud, crowded. Everyone's rushing down it. It's familiar, expected. The other, it's quieter, less traveled. It feels like you, but it's scary, unknown. Your heart says, take it. Your head says, stay safe. Marcus Aurelius said, be true to yourself, not the crowd. Walking away, it's choosing your path. Not because it's easy, but because it's yours. That job that doesn't fit, that relationship that dims you, you don't have to stay. You can choose what honors you. Think of a choice you're facing. Something pulling you from yourself. What would it mean to pick the quiet path? To say no to the crowd and yes to you? It's not running, it's loyalty to your heart, your life. What's one step toward your path? What would it feel like to take it? It's 10 p.m. again. Your desk's still there, but it's different. Tidier. The phone's silent for now. You're still you, but lighter. The weight's not gone, but it's less. Walking away, it's not about escaping. It's about choosing. What stays? What goes? What deserves you? Tomorrow, the noise will start again. The messages, the demands. But you'll know where to pause, where to breathe, where to find quiet. Come back here when you need it.